and easier, but it also brought way more depth into my lyric writing. Now, most of us have heard of sensory writing. It's a pretty essential skill for any lyric writer. It's all about making your lyrics come to life with pictures and experiences that ignite the senses. But painting vivid word pictures doesn't automatically add meaning to our lyrics. Yes, we want to paint a picture for the listener, but we don't want them to have to watch that paint dry. And this happens when we add too many filler details. Details that might look and sound great, but don't actually add any meaning in the context of the song. And the best way to avoid adding these filler details is with what I call the canon method. It's a cheeky little trick that will help add more depth to your lyric writing because it makes you focus on the details that are essential to the song's meaning and what you're trying to say. Okay, so there's two parts to this and you need to get them both right. Otherwise, you could end up adding in those filler details that's going to make your lyrics boring as shit. So to understand the first part, think of it this way. Joaquin Phoenix's Joker was a great movie. It had a well-known DC character in it. But Joker isn't part of the DC extended universe of Batman v Superman, Aquaman and the Suicide Squad. It's a standalone movie. It isn't canon. Now, when we're writing lyrics, we want to come up with lots of ideas, but we shouldn't treat all those ideas as equal. We shouldn't think of them all as canon because there's going to be a lot of jokers in the pack. So after you've come up with a bunch of ideas, you want to only use the ones that are going to really work for the song, the ones that are essential to expressing the song's core idea. Here's what I mean. Look at Jimi Hendrix if 6 was 9. See, back in the 60s, there were three main social groups: the hippies, the freaks, and the squares. Hippies and squares were conformists on different ends of the social spectrum, but freaks were non-conformists, and Jimmy was a freak, a freaky, deaky, golden diamond non-conformist that believed in his individuality and freedom. And If 6 Was 9 is a song about doing your own thing and living the way you feel free. So in the bridge of that